Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling, right? You finally score that cheap flight, get to your seat, and bam! Your knees are practically touching the seat in front of you. But guess what? It doesn't have to be a recipe for a terrible flight. In this video, I'm breaking down all my best tips and tricks to make even the most cramped flight bearable. Let's do this. Step 1 of surviving a long flight with limited legroom starts before you even get to the airport. Scope out those seat maps like your life depends on it. Exit row seats, holy grail of legroom, but they often come with a price or restrictions. Bulkhead seats can offer extra space, but sometimes have immovable armrests. If you can't snag those spots, aim for an aisle seat. Stretching your legs into the aisle makes a world of difference. Pro tip: download a seat map app for the inside scoop on which seats to target. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to fighting for your legroom rights. You've boarded the plane, settled into your seat, and you're feeling good. The key to staying comfortable is movement. Get up and move around whenever you can. Those bathroom breaks? Consider them your chance to stretch those legs. Walk up and down the aisle, do some ankle rolls in the galley, whatever it takes to get that blood flowing. Sitting for hours is a recipe for stiff muscles. Try some in-seat exercises like calf raises and knee lifts. Remember, a little movement goes a long way on a long flight. Let's talk about what you're wearing on that flight because it can make or break your comfort level. Ditch the tight jeans and restrictive clothing. Opt for comfy pants, loose-fitting shirts, and layers. Prioritize comfort above all else. Choose breathable fabrics like cotton or moisture-wicking materials. Don't forget about your feet. Compression socks might not be fashionable, but they can do wonders for circulation. Remember, this isn't a fashion show, it's about survival. Arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. If the option is there to recline your seat, take it. Just be mindful of the person behind you. A simple tap on the shoulder or a quick heads up can avoid awkward encounters. Find a balance between your comfort and the comfort of those around you. Even a slight adjustment can make a difference in how much space you have. Communication is key. If someone asks you to adjust your seat, be respectful and understanding. Maximize your personal space by using the overhead bin strategically. The more stuff you have under the seat in front of you, the less legroom you have. Only keep essentials at your feet, like a small bag with your headphones, book, and snacks. Everything else? Up in the overhead bin it goes. Your legs will thank you for it. Flying economy, especially on a long-haul flight, is not always glamorous. Space is limited, seats aren't always comfortable, and sometimes your neighbors can be a bit much. Embrace the coziness, manage your expectations, and remember, it's all part of the adventure. You'll be stepping off that plane and into your destination before you know it. One of the best ways to make a flight go by faster is to keep yourself entertained. Most airlines have decent in-flight entertainment systems. Movies, TV shows, music, you name it. Plug in those headphones, get lost in a good movie, and let the hours melt away. If you're not feeling the airline selection, load up your phone or tablet with your own entertainment. Keep yourself occupied, and you'll be surprised at how quickly the time flies by. Staying fueled up on that flight is crucial. Drink plenty of water. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry. Don't be afraid to ask the flight attendants for extra water throughout the flight. When it comes to food, try to make healthy choices. Opt for healthier options like nuts, fruit, or a protein bar. Staying properly fueled and hydrated will make a world of difference in how you feel during and after your flight. Airplanes can be noisy places. Between the engine hum, chatter, and occasional crying baby, it can be tough to find peace. Noise-canceling headphones are a game changer. They block out ambient noise, creating a bubble of tranquility. Whether you're watching a movie, listening to music, or just getting some shut-eye, noise-canceling headphones are your best friend. Even if you don't have fancy ones, a good pair of earbuds will do the trick. Crank up your favorite playlist and let the music drown out the world. If you're still feeling stressed and cramped, tap into your inner Zen master with some relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises can work wonders for calming pre-flight jitters or easing discomfort. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and focus on the air flowing in and out of your body. Meditation is another great option for finding peace amidst the chaos of air travel. Even simple stretches can help release tension and improve circulation. One of the best ways to make a long flight more bearable is to catch some Z's. Invest in a good neck pillow. Your neck will thank you later. Don't forget an eye mask to block out those pesky overhead lights. Find a comfortable position, snuggle into your pillow, and let the gentle rocking of the plane lull you to sleep. If you get cold easily, pack a light blanket or a cozy scarf. There's nothing worse than being freezing on a flight. If you're serious about comfort, consider upgrading your seat. Sometimes airlines offer upgrades at the gate, or you can use frequent flyer miles. Even a premium economy seat with a little extra legroom can make a world of difference. Try your luck at the check-in counter for any available upgrades. You might just get lucky. Let's talk about packing a travel comfort kit. This is your secret weapon for surviving any flight. Think of it as your own personal oasis in the sky. A good lip balm and hand lotion are essential for combating dry airplane air. Pack a small bottle of essential oil for a calming atmosphere. Lavender or peppermint oil can work wonders. No travel comfort kit is complete without snacks. Pack a few of your favorite protein bars or trail mix. Your travel comfort kit will make any flight more bearable. And there you have it, my friends. My top tips and tricks for making even the most cramped flight a little more bearable. With a little planning and preparation, you can arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Use these tips to create your own comfortable oasis in the sky. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks and tips. Safe travels!